Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Thank you for coming back and watching my channel. I'm super excited because I am finally able to roll out my next deluxe kit. I don't even know that I'm going to call it a junk journal kit, and here's why. Because this one is based off of my digital kit, this illustrated handbook for the farm and garden from the 1800s, which I love. I'm actually going to make two of them because I decided I want one for the spring garden and one for the summer garden. But there is so much in this kit that you could make cards, you could do mixed media, you could do collaging, you could do a junk journal, you could even do a mini album. There's so much in here. So I'm not sure if I'm going to call it a junk journal kit, but it is a deluxe kit because of all of the super unique items that you get in this kit. This kit is going to be a pre-order because once again I'm working with Canvas Corp to put together some really fabulous items for you guys. They offer me good pricing, and um, I get it for much less than you would be able to where I have my business, obviously. And so I'm able to put together these really nice kits for you at probably half the cost of what, probably 75% of the cost of what it would cost you to piece out these items on your own. So this kit is going to be a great deal. It's going to be $49 plus $4 shipping in the United States. And I'm pretty sure that this time I'm only going to be able to have 15 of these. Last time I started out with 15, and then I was able to come up, scramble and come up with 15 more. And then I was able to squeak out another 15 more barely after that, but then I just had to stop. And I'm just not going to do that this time. It's too much stress for me, and I don't want to get Canvas Corp too irritated with with me. I just want to place one order with them, and then they can move on. So anyway, the first thing that you will get is you will be getting a link to download this digital kit. And this has, I forget, I want to say maybe 18 pages in it. And it's an actual reproduction of the seed catalog from the 1800s. It's tweaked to make it into a digital kit and make it a good size. And it measures, that's if you want to use the front and back cover, because I just love these images, then you would make a journal that measures 5 by 7.5. So the entire kit is garden journal themed. And the digital kit that you're going to get would be, I've already shown this before, so I'm just going to flip through really quickly. These are some of the beautiful pages that you get in the digital portion. Let me just hold them up here and do this. Here we go. And these are all journaling cards, or you can, when you print them, you can print them any size you want. That's the beauty of a digital kit. So if you want to make a full page out of these, you can. If you want to shrink them, if you want to make them, just do them like this and make them into journal cards, you can do that. They're all different sizes for you. Beautiful images, vintage images from the actual catalog that I found. I love this one. It's one of my favorites. So we've got a whole bunch of these. I'm going to flip through them quickly. Like I said, I have a whole separate video on this, on the kit, the digital kit. And like I said, where else but the Scrapologist can you get a journaling card with asparagus on it? Right? and then some tags. And oh yeah, and then I made some little mini file folders. So you get the digital kit. That's just one small piece of this deluxe kit. So the next, the big item that you're going to get is a mix and match pad from Canvas Corp. And this is one that I have that I bought for myself to do a recipe journal with. And so the one that you're going to be getting is similar but a whole different theme. Let me see here. The one that you're going to be getting is, let me turn this off. The one that you're going to be getting is called the watering can, and you can see here that some of the examples of what you can do with the mix and match pad. There's some cards there. Oh, where is it? Here it is. Okay, it's a little small, but the mix and match watering can. And you can see some of the images here. Watering cans are all garden implements. They match so well with this digital kit. So this is the one you're going to be getting. But let me just give you an idea of what is in the kit, what is in a mix and match pad. The first thing you get is a beautiful piece of canvas. And of course yours is going to have different images on it. And then you get a variety, move some things out of the way here. Then you get a variety of really nice papers, and they're nice, thick, heavyweight cardstock. And they always include a craft one on black on craft, and then more black on craft. So this is nice craft paper. You can see the back of it. And then here's a piece of ivory paper with some images. This particular one has recipe cards. What you're going to get in yours, if I can find it here, right here. And again, it's a little small, but you are going to be getting some seed packet images on yours instead of recipe cards. Okay. And we've also got a page with borders on it. Oops, I got to get my lighting back. I moved it out of the way. Borders on it. And this is on ivory. This is the kind of paper that your seed packet cards are going to be on. And then another ivory with beautiful borders. And then you get some general shapes. You usually get a piece of solid paper. Here's some more gorgeous images. And then this kit, I'm still waiting for the mix and match pad, the watering can mix and match pad. So I'm not sure exactly all of the items that it has in it, but it's really similar. And I'm pretty sure it has the same amount of things, and I'm pretty sure it has the same types of things. So this one has corrugated cardboard, a gorgeous piece of burlap, another piece of plain canvas. So you get two pieces of canvas, and you can also use the back. It's kind of like brown paper bag paper. So this kit just alone, this mix and match pad just alone, retail is like $15 plus tax. So this is a $15 item that you're going to get in your deluxe kit. And I'm really excited about it. And again, the watering can is the one that you're going to be getting. Let me take this off the desk cam and also show you, let's see. So I showed that. So you're also going to be getting a couple of little black and white tags that are also from Canvas Corp and go with this whole kit. Your recipe cards are in there. Yeah, I guess I showed everything that I'm able to show without a kit right in front of me. So this is just a fabulous item. The other thing from Canvas Corp that you're getting that I know you all loved as much as I did in the last deluxe kit is you're going to be getting another set of the Architectures rub-ons. This is the one that was in the last deluxe kit that I did. You're going to be getting one that does have garden images on it. And if you haven't seen these, first of all, the packaging is gorgeous. You can totally use the packaging in mixed media and junk journal projects, but it's on parchment. It's a humongous sheet that's not going to fit on camera. I've cut a lot of mine apart because I love these so much. I don't even think I can get it open. Let's see, without tearing it. Ah! It's huge. But these are all rub-ons. And so you're going to get this big, huge sheet of rub-ons with different vintage garden images on it. The reason why I love these so much, I've talked about them a lot, so I'm not going to go on and on about it, but these can be rubbed onto glass, onto wood, onto paper, onto canvas. I did them on the cover of a canvas journal that I covered in canvas. It was beautiful. So these are, and this is going to last you a long time. There's no way you're going to use all of these images on just one journal. So that's a super special thing too. So these are the items that I'm working with Canvas Corp on, and this is the reason why the kit is a pre-order, because I'm still waiting for them to put these mix and match pads. They put each one together by hand and then actually stitch it together. So what is that? I don't know. So yeah, so I'm waiting for them to do that, and it should be 2 or 3 weeks, I'm thinking, before I can actually start shipping. So the other items that you're going to get, then we just have a bunch of mix and match vintage items that I've come across at the different estate sales. I don't know what that is. These are vintage ads from the Successful Farming catalog, and everybody's going to get one of these, if not two. I don't know. I haven't priced it out yet to see what I can give you for $49, but I'll give you as many as I can. Vintage ads, some doilies. Everybody's going to get a napkin or two with a pretty garden image on it, a butterfly. And everybody will be getting 2 pages from this vintage book, Wildflowers of America. And these are undercut pages. They're glossy, so I need to move my light. Move light. There we go. Undercut pages, beautiful flowers. Everybody will get 2 of those. And I also found, sorry, I have so much on my desk here. I also found these really beautiful vintage bridge tally cards. And everybody will get one of these. There's a variety of different cards. See, it says tally. They're all bridge tally cards. And they all have flowers on them. There's these, there's this one. A lot of them have little strings hanging off the top. I don't know how old these are, but they are definitely vintage. I found some fall ones, which will probably not go in this kit because this is more flower garden related. And these are pretty violets. I have, these are really cool. I have those, and these do have the strings on them. And then these are really darling too. And these have the strings on them too. So everybody will get one of these. Everybody will get one of these pretty beads that I found. I only have a limited supply here, but they're nice long beads, and they do have a real pretty flower on them. It's about that long. So this would look pretty on the edge of your spine. You could put a piece of twine or something through here, and then I wish I had done one. Maybe I'll do one later. And then wrap it around. Here, I have a book here. And then kind of wrap it around your spine. Kind of like this. Or wrap it around this way, like this, and use it as a closure. Or just use it as a decorative piece. There's a ton of things you can do with this. You will also be getting, let me look at my little list here. Everybody will also be getting 2 vintage playing cards, again with flowers on them. And this is, let's see, this is another really cool little bonus item that you're going to get in the kit. I found a whole bunch of these little vintage farmers almanacs, and let's see if I have enough. I forgot to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I have 15. So everybody can get one of these, and it's all original. They go from 1901 to 1920. No, that one doesn't have a cover. To 1921. But they're still all old, and they have the original little strings on them, and they're just about the same size as the digital kit. A little bigger. If you wanted to use it, you would use the pages. You would have to cut it down just about a 1/4 of an inch, almost a 1/2 an inch. But they're just beautiful inside. Oh, this light, my camera doesn't like glossy things. Let's see how cool the inside is. Oops, sorry. Got too much going on here on my desk. And everybody will also get, I have enough to give everybody 2 little flower buttons. And I think that's it. I'm sure that I will come across some other goodies that I'll be throwing in. These are just kind of the major things, especially the Canvas Corp kit. But yeah, you're going to get a ton of stuff. Here, I'll pile it all back on. You're going to get a ton of stuff in your kit. So today is Monday, October 22nd. I am going to head over right now and put the kit in my Etsy shop for $49 plus $4 shipping. And it's going to be a pre-order that I hope to get, like I said, hope to get it out within the next 3 weeks. So there are only going to be 15 available. I wish I could do more, but I do put vintage items like this and like this in the kit, and I only have so many. So I think that's all I have to say today. I'm excited to get this out to you all, and thank you for watching. I'll put the link below on the pre-order for the kit. Have a great day. Bye.